Dollar Tree items are flying off the shelves. They are the hottest Dollar Tree items of 2025. Trust me, after watching this video, you are going to run to your nearest Dollar Tree to get your hands on these products. So enough talking and let's go. One of the hottest items that Dollar Tree is selling this season, the turquoise bowls. Just look how beautiful they are. Look at the design and just how deep they are. This is something that you would find in IKEA or Home Goods, and it is here at my Dollar Tree. Not only does it come with a bowl, but it comes with a cup. You can see the cups right there. This would make a beautiful dinnerware set. Unfortunately, they do not have the plates, but just take a look at it, the bowl and the cup. Wouldn't that be stunning on your dinner table? It reminds me of spring. It reminds me of summer. I love the fact that not only is it this bright, colorful, cheerful color, but look at the rim. It has that nice aesthetic rim to just put it all together. If you find this set at your Dollar Tree, you are in luck because it is flying off the shelves. Again, $1.25. A set like this would cost at least $15. Most of my friends would say I don't give up too easily, and I'm glad I am determined because I found the cups. That's right. I found the viral cups. They have so many here at this second Dollar Tree that I went to. You can see right here, these are the plastic cups with the zip lids. You can use them for your coffee. Lots of people are snatching them up and I found them. So if you find them, grab them because they are one of the hottest viral Dollar Tree items this season. I'm not just going to leave with one. I am going to grab two of them. I will save the rest for anyone that wants to snatch up this hot item. I had to mention this. This is an honorable mention. Just look at this. They are so beautiful. You can put your rings in here, your change in here, your toothbrush, but just look at this. Again, this is something that you would find in Target. We found one, just one. This is another item very popular at Dollar Tree. It's a 64-ounce water jug. You can see it comes with a straw and it comes with its own lid and this nice sturdy handle. It comes in different colors. I happen to have gotten the one that is all purple. This is really, really adorable. Now, if you just plan on exercising or walking, this will be really great to keep you hydrated on those long walks, or if you plan on exercising, or if you just want something to keep you hydrated during the cold winter months. It's only $5. Now, this is something that you would get at Dick's or a sporting goods store. Something like this would cost you about at least $10, particularly the fact that it has a straw. Anytime when there's a straw attached, you know that you're going to be paying more than $10. But here, it's only $5, and that's the reason why lots of people are buying this item. I don't want you to snooze and lose. We are here at the candle section. One of the more popular items. They come in a variety of colors. This is a very popular item that people are snatching up, and it's battery operated and it looks absolutely beautiful in the dark. Valentine's coming up. This would make a wonderful addition to that romantic setting that you have for your loved one or your spouse or girlfriend, or just something that you can put in your bath that will make it nice and relaxed for you to enjoy. Guys, I found the socks, Looney Tunes, Marvel, Pringles, and even Disney here at Dollar Tree. Yes, these are popular socks this season at the Dollar Tree that people are grabbing up because, again, it's only $1.25, and you would find something like this at Walmart or Target. What's this guy's name? I forgot. He's very famous with Tom Hanks. I don't know. Put it in the comment section for a guy. I forgot this guy's name. And you have the Hulk. So again, the designer socks here at Dollar Tree. This is a very popular item. I don't even have this item at my Dollar Tree, but they have it here at a second Dollar Tree that I visited. So again, it's only $1.25. It's really cute. It's really nifty. You can give it to your kids, your grandkids, or your neighbors' kids. Really, really nice gift for $1.25. And this is a second honorable mention. This is not one of the hot items, but this is so adorable. Plush. animals. Look at this panda. Isn't that adorable? This is only $5 and they have different ones. This is a rhino. This would really be cute for that little one in your life. Another item that is really selling fast here at Dollar Tree is the poppies. You can see they have a full stock of them right here. They have strawberry lemon, orange, lemon lime. If you are lucky enough that you will be able to get it at your Dollar Tree, I would think that you would snatch it up right now because they are really, really good and they are selling it now at Dollar Tree. And in my opinion, it's never too early to think of summer and a good pedicure to go along with it. These are absolutely adorable flip-flops. Take a look at what they have here at this Dollar Tree that I visited, and I particularly like this one. This one is a real sassy one. You can definitely wear it outside, giving you a wider look at the stock that they have. This is so cute. I just love these designs. And for my garden lovers, I got you. Just take a look at these cute little bird feeders that they have here at this Dollar Tree. Now, the reason why they have so much in stock is that I called this particular Dollar Tree and I found out that they were getting a whole bunch of garden supplies that day. So I ran down to show you what they have. But let me tell you, if you've already been to Dollar Tree, lots of garden supplies are already gone. So if you haven't gone to your Dollar Tree, get them now because a lot of the cute ones are gone. They're flying off the shelves. I really don't know what you're supposed to do with this tool, but I really like it. It's really sturdy and it feels really good quality. I guess you're supposed to break up the soil with that. So I got that one. And you can't go wrong with these garden stakes. Take a look at them. They are absolutely beautiful. They are $5 each. Here are the smaller variety is powered by the sun, so you don't need any batteries. And take a look at this. This is a lantern that I have been looking at. It's $5 each. At Home Depot, I kid you not, this was $30. And good luck finding these huge self-watering pots. They came out about 3 weeks ago, and again, I tell you, they are very hard to find. You can find the smaller ones, but something this big, really hard to find at Dollar Tree. So if you see them, grab them because they are a great bargain. Something like this would cost at least $25. Guys, that concludes my 3-part series in Dollar Tree deals. If you got any good information from this video, why don't you do me a favor, join the family and subscribe to my channel. Better yet, share it with your family and friends. I will be doing another video comparing Dollar Tree seeds to regular seeds, how Dollar Tree seeds grow. Are they worth the price? Should you even buy them in the first place? So that is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. And why don't you just stick around to watch this video if you haven't gotten your garden supplies. Keep on watching.